Yep, you did it again. You clicked on another video. Thank you so much. Well, I know you're ready to grow, so let's get started and let's go. Grow, eco neighbor. Grow, 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 eco neighbor. Grow, 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 eco neighbor. Grow, 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 eco neighbor. So today we're gonna get a little bit down and dirty in the dirt. Today I want to share with you how do I prep for my winter garden. What did I do to my garden? What I do to my raised beds? I got a raised bed that I'm working on. I just want to share with you the process on how I get this dirt looking so fabulous ready for new growth for this winter's garden. So stay tuned and let's get to growing. So right now, I'm getting ready to sure up my little winter garden, one section of my little winter garden. We already harvested just about everything, and we went ahead and cleaned out everything in the bed. And now we're getting ready to add some more soil. We have some planting mix, and then we also have some stuff that I love to have, which is a little black cow manure. I really like this, using and mixing this in with the soil. So we're gonna do a little work here to get our hands a little bit dirty and just add a little bit more soil and get ready for this area, for this spot for our winter garden. Now it's time for that black cow. Here's where I add my manure. Add a layer of manure. Nothing like the smell of fresh. And we'll end it up with a layer again. It's a mix. Now once it turns fall, I'm going to rake up leaves and I'm going to add this over a period of time. I'm going to add leaves to this bed, and it's just going to layer it up, and then we'll be ready for the springtime. Last bag with soil. the reason why I have these PVC pipe going across is because if I have a vine growing plant, I can grow it on this vine, or if it gets frost this winter or anything, I can put like a clear poly over on top and cover it up. So this is a good cost-effective way of having options to your garden. So even if you have a vine loving plant, I can get some string, I can tie it from here and go from here and from here, and I can let it grow on the vine. Or like I say, in the wintertime, I can do my poly. And what I done is I got some basic PVC extras. You know, they got extras at like a lot of your supply stores or like Home Depot or Lowe's. They have extras, small little extras. I just got 1 inch, and then I got a little 3/4 inch, and then I just pounded this in the ground, and then I just put this 3/4 and took it all the way over to the other side, and I did the same thing here. Real quick and easy. Real quick and easy, no nonsense. So there you have it. She ready to go for this winter crop. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. That is how I prep my garden. That is how I prep my soil. I hope it's been helpful to you. If it has, please like, comment below, and please subscribe. And let us continuously to keep growing. And one day we'll be able to grow and help each other grow. Have a great day and be well.